In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero dashboard and efficiently set up placeholders for repeating invoices. Understanding how to tailor your dashboard and manage recurring invoices can enhance your productivity and make your accounting experience much more seamless. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to Xero's website and click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your email and password. Once you've filled in your credentials, hit the login button again. Now that you're logged into your account, you're at the dashboard. Here, you have the option to personalize this space to better suit your needs. Look for the edit dashboard button and give it a click. You will see a variety of options that allow you to either show or hide different data panels, which can help you focus on the information that's most relevant to your work. There are checkboxes next to each panel. Simply check or uncheck these boxes to manage their visibility. If you want to further organize your dashboard, you can click and drag these panels to reorder them. This flexibility allows you to prioritize the data you access most frequently, streamlining your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your layout, remember to click Save Changes to ensure your settings are applied. Next, let's move to managing your invoices. Navigate to the Business tab on your menu and select Invoices. Here, you'll find the New Invoice drop-down menu. Upon clicking it, you'll notice a new repeating invoice option. This feature is incredibly useful for automating the billing process, especially if you have clients who are billed regularly. Click on the new repeating invoice option and you'll be taken to a form where you can enter all pertinent details for the invoice. Make sure to fill these fields accurately, including the customer information, invoice amounts, and frequency of the billing cycle. If you're not sure about the specifics, Xero provides tooltips for guidance. After you've completed filling in the information, click on Save to set your repeating invoice. This not only saves time but ensures consistency and accuracy in your invoicing process. By following these steps, you will have effectively customized your Xero dashboard to make it more efficient for your daily operations and set up repeating invoices to automate your billing process. This should reduce your administrative workload and allow you more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you make the most of Xero. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.